Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Ubak Preston Tensong haka kat sau tarik una opera ulong bagadi kamram jong sorkar jela bakat kum kariti sencari bakan pet jabar kinong shong shnong kejela. Ulong bakat temetor kadi kejaka kebambiang ban shong bansa kamtam haka bedai bat kakot kakia komta dan kamban pengenria ano ikibriu kibasa hakan kejaka syakajaka kebabit babiang. Ulong baga high level committee kalapha eka pot bat ke sorkar jela kala shemekarai ban pengenria ano ikibasa temetor syakawai pat kejaka. Hagabede bagajeng dawa ka Shiromani Akalidal ban pha pahara diksipai hagane gajaka. Nagaliang uba Preston Tensong loong bakam don kano kono kajingma haduk badan kam menbu diksipai hagane gajaka. Nrege kamram jong sarkar jela ban chimkia bat ban pet ya borok kinong shong shnong kajela lagi di kiriulum neki bomdai kiriulum. Ulong bagajeng khang jong sarkar ka plia lada kinong yalam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ki kwa benekran Henry Kimdei Pat Bansukam bakil syakle ben yang sorkar kabalong ke babak kelas shibun.
Being a government, it is the responsibility of the state government, provides by the Constitution of India, that every citizen of India who stays in Meghalaya, we need to make sure that we take care of them, irrespective you are tribal or non-tribal. So, as far as Yau Maulong is concerned, I think everybody of you will agree with me, that area becomes worse than slum. Therefore, the state government feels that taking into consideration the human life, health of those people who stays in that particular place needs to be shifted. We have to shift them. We have to relocate them to a proper place, to a place where health is also attended to. And number three, because that particular area right now, it is also a bazaar or a market place. I don't think it can be converted into residential at all. So on the basis of that, that's why we have submitted a detailed report from the high-level committee to the government, where the government has already taken a decision that yes, relocation has to take place from that area, whoever stays over there, that they need to shift to other proper place. Deploy army for what? There is no war. Is there any battlefield here that we need to deploy army? Because I'm not aware of that. So, but I'm telling you from day one, it is the responsibility of the state government, irrespective of tribal or non-tribal. We need to take care of them. We need to see that the place where they stay is totally safe, is totally healthy. Children can grow healthily. I think that's the point. That's the point, and that is the intention of the government very clearly. That's why I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders work together with the state government. They should not think that state government will just throw them out anywhere. They are all human beings. They are all our brothers and sisters. So therefore, leave it to the wisdom of the state government. We will take care of them as much as possible.
Hakabede bat kajingkam jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee bak sorkar kalale bian walaki syari kalong bari ban penek ki kumbakilong. Nakaliang ucaman ke high level committee ulong balaragi sngo bak sorkar kelapan kenyi ku hukum jong kayeng syari kidai ban ujor syakayeng syari.
So this is the instruction given to Shillong Municipal Board through the Urban Affairs Department. And number two, those employees who stays there in different department, again we have written a letter very clearly to all the departments. Please shift your employees to your campus or to any other places wherever possible, so that area, since government has taken over possession of that plot, because Urban Affairs Department has to start designing or redeveloping of that particular place. See, you can't always say that is illegal. That is their opinion. And again, from the government side, my opinion is it is legal. So there is no end. So let the court decide. You should not say, you should not say in public like that. We do have a platform. Go to the High Court then. If we, if we violated any ruling order of the Honorable High Court, we are subjected to contempt of court, is it not? So therefore, I think there's no point of discussing or talking on this issue, because they have their own opinion. We also, from the government side, we have our own opinion. So let the court decide and let the court interpret it.